here from Maxxeweb. Today we're going to show you how to place an image into your website or onto a web page. The first thing you need to do is log into edit mode on your website. So if you scroll to the bottom of your page, you'll see the very last thing in the bottom right hand corner is the login link. So if you go to the login link, click on the login link, that will take you to the sign in page. Using the username and password that you were supplied when the website was completed for you, click the login button. That'll take you into edit mode, and you'll see the website that you normally see plus the edit bar across the top. So if we were to click on the edit pencil, that will push the website into edit mode, and if you remember, the global areas are outlined with a blue line when you hover on them, and the local areas or the page specific areas are outlined in green. Today I think we'll add an image to the page itself in the green area here, this empty column number 2. So if we click on the plus sign, that will move us into the add mode, identify the image block, and we just drag it straight onto the screen. When we get it over the area or the place that we want to have the image, we just release the mouse button and it will bring up a dialog box placing it in that area. Once the dialog box comes up, you'll see a number of items in the dialog box. The first one is choose the file or the image that you want to place in that particular area. Clicking on that will take you to the file manager on the server and display all the images. In this case there are no images in the file, so we'll upload a couple of images from our desktop or our computer. Clicking on the upload files, it will open the file manager on your computer, and you can go to the images and choose the images. We've previously loaded images onto a file, and we're storing these currently in the images general, and we'll take a couple of images out of that. It's important to note in this mode or this method, you can upload as many images as you like by just highlighting them, or you can upload one. It's up to you. In this case I'm going to upload 2 images because I want to demonstrate some other functionality of this box. So we upload those. You can see the progress bar uploading the images to the server. These are now on the server. What you'll see once they're on the server is a small thumbnail of the image. You'll see the type of image it is, whether it's a JPEG or a PNG file or a document or whatever the case may be. The title of the particular file that you've just uploaded, when it was added, and of course you'll see the size on the server of the image. So in this case we'll click on the first image to add as our main image. Then you'll see the name of the file loaded in that field and the small thumbnail. The next field down is hover image. So if you hover on an image and you want it to change to something different, you can load the different file into this particular field. So we'll do that, and this is what I wanted to demonstrate. So we click on the choose new file, go back to the file manager, choose the different file, and once again we have the image loaded up in a thumbnail form with the name on it, as you can see. If we move down the page, you can actually add a link to that image if you click on it. So in this case we will. You get the opportunity to load another page, so you can point at another page, or you can load an external URL. In this case we will load an external URL. I think Google's good enough. Alternate text is for text that if the image doesn't display properly it will place it in there. So we'll put in this is Google. And the title will place a title tag when you hover over the image, so we could put something like take me to Google, and we'll put that in there. Now you'll see resize image. It doesn't actually resize the image as you would imagine. It is a constraint. So constrain the images to a particular size. So if you've got a large image you've uploaded and you want to make sure all the images in this particular area or on the page, for instance, are constrained to a particular size, you would put in the size you wish to constrain to. So in this case, we'll make sure that the images that we load never exceed 300 by 300 pixels when they're displayed on a web page. And that's how simple it is. So we just add the image. Once the image is added, you'll see it up here on the right hand side. That's how easy it is to add an image to a page. So if we were to go out of edit mode, it will offer us three possibilities actually. You can discard your changes, which I'm sure you probably won't want to do. You can save the changes, and what this does is it only saves it for you, the administrator or editor. The World Wide Web or the customers don't see, the public don't see your changes. And of course publish changes displays to the World Wide Web as well. So in this case we'll publish the changes. And there we go. We've now added an image to our web page. When we hover on it, you'll see it change to the alternate image, and you'll also see the title, Take Me to Google. If we were to click on it, it should take us to Google. And there we go. That's how simple it is to add an image. That is the end of our session for today. Don't forget to log out when you have finished editing. We've logged out, and I'm sure we'll see you at other sessions on how to use the Maxxeweb CMS. Goodbye for now, and we'll see you later on. Thank you.